Okay, this is Equal Surf Ireland Crypto, and I just want to say Happy Christmas, firstly. I haven't streamed or recorded much in the past couple, I don't know, past 4 or 5 days. I've just been so busy. The market we had a breakout. This is a quick market update, and you know, it's Christmas Ireland, right, or Christmas morning in Ireland right now. So wherever you are, it's either coming to you or you're already nearly done. Okay, so happy Christmas, guys. I hope you're going to have like a wonderful day or have had a wonderful day. All right, so this is Bitcoin, and this is just a quick market update. I don't expect too much to be going on ranging here in the next couple of days. We had a beautiful breakout of this wedge here, which you can see. It was almost like a little flag, and we popped up here to the 52,000 region, and we're now creating another little flag in here. Okay, and this is the 2-hourly chart. You can see here we're ranging between $50,500 and $52,000. All right, now we bounced here again. As you can see, there's a bit of support right there. And where do I see this move going? I would probably see this move going eventually to up to $54,000, 384, around that area. We do have quite big resistance at around 53.8, 54, and I'm going to put a line in there. That's where we'd previously broken down, or where there was quite a lot of resistance. I'm going to put that in red, so we do know that it is a point of contention. Okay, so I would expect us to start moving up that direction. That is the target of the flag. Okay, all coins are running with Bitcoin. They're just, lots of them are following it candle by candle, and this is expected. Okay, so the market is, you know, we had a very, very nice breakout of the overall wedge. I'm just going to go to the daily for a second, and I hope you can see this and make it's kind of clear. So you can see here we had a breakout of our overall wedge, came back tested, popped. Okay, and now we're consolidating in this region. Okay, and you can see I said about 53.8 right there. Okay, so you can see that very, very clearly, that that's where we broke down, and there is going to be a bit of a battle here. The target is around 54.5, roughly around that region, maybe even 54.8. Okay, that would be the target of this overall like kind of bull flag. This is what I'm kind of expecting in the next, maybe not even, like, it could be Monday or Tuesday before we get a kind of a proper breakout, but it just looks like it's just ranging up and down, up and down, up and down between two ranges, again between the kind of $50,500 and the $52,000 region. Okay, and right now we're at the bottom of that. You know, where would I kind of go? We might be in for another leg down, I suppose. Any kind of closure below 49.5 around that region, we might pull back. And where would I be kind of getting, I suppose, bullish and saying it's going to make a move up to 54? Any kind of closure above 52,000 region, even a 4-hour candle up above there, I would expect a move then up to 54,000. That area. Okay, but we do have big resistance at 53.8. Okay, so I'm just going to take a look at the stochastics, and I'm just going to, I hope you can see this because I'm not sure again about the settings. This is the daily. The daily is still coming up to oversold. We still can have another push up here, up to the 100 region. We're only at like 97, 98 right now, and we could stay up there for quite a long time. This is the, what is this? I think this is the 30-minute. Yeah, we're on the floor here. Okay, so we do need to turn up, and like, you know, that's been down there for quite a while. You can see that quite clearly. Yeah, that is the 30-minute, I think. 1 hour, sorry, the 1 hour is on the floor. You know, that needs to turn back up. All right, now again, I'm not really worried. You can see here actually on the hourly, you can see it's very, very clear. We're in a lovely, lovely flag, and that's what I'm expecting. I'm kind of expecting around the 54,000 region eventual kind of move out of this kind of flag. All right, now this will take time. Like, okay, so the hourly stochastic is at the bottom here, and you can see that quite clearly. We're sitting at the bottom, and that will turn up. And I'd expect it to make a move back up. All right, now if I go to the 4-hourly, if I can kind of get it up, that's the 2-hourly. Okay, we'll go to the 2 hourly. Let's take a look at the 2 hourly. What's the 2 hourly doing? Yeah, the 2 hourly is at the floor as well. Okay, so that needs to turn up as well. And we'll go to the short term right now. I'm just going to get out of this. There we go. So we'll go to the 2 hourly. 2 hourly, you can see, is a bit clearer. It's just a lovely breakout. I mean, and we do need to see volume increasing though. That's one thing I will say. The 2 hourly is on the floor, as you can see here, completely on the floor. All right, complete like flatlining. All right, we'll go to the short time. 15 minutes is crossing up. We've got a good bit to go, which means there'll be a push here. And the 5 minutes at the top is still can drive on a bit, and the 30 minutes on the floor as well. And the daily, as I said, is up the top. Let's take a look at the MACD. I'm going to take a look at the daily MACD here. And the daily MACD, which is here, we have a bullish crossover, I think. Yep, there we go. We have a bullish crossover here on the MACD down here. Okay, and that's very, very bullish. All right, and that's showing momentum now, is gaining positivity, and yeah, look, it's looking good. I'm kind of liking the way this is setting up, and it's maintaining kind of in between a range. There's your 30-minute chart. I'm going to zoom right in so we can actually see what's going on. There's your flag. Okay, there's your target up here at 54,384. Big resistance of 53.8. And we're just ranging in between here, which we've been doing, and it's holding the line quite nicely. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting there, guys, with regards to the market. I'd like to see a bit more volume come in, but you're not probably going to see any volume come in on Christmas. You know, it's Christmas Day and St. Stephen's tomorrow. Okay, so that was just a quick market update. You know, I'm looking for a test of 54.5. 54,000 region, and then I'd be expecting a move. You know, we'll see what happens then, but I just want to see this. You know, this will probably sort itself out, I would think, by Monday or Tuesday. Okay, so that is a quick market update. This is Equal Stuff Ireland Crypto. Give me a like and give me a subscribe, and you know, thank you for listening.